It rains today after 2 months. Oh my god, I lost track. So since it's raining, this is the best time to plant and grow some seeds. So first I will show you how to plant tomatoes from the fruit seeds. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I have my tomato here. This is what we're gonna use to plant for today. He's here already. Anyway, so let's go and cut this one and proceed to planting. Alright, here's our tomato. I won't plant all of this because my husband will eat some for his sandwich. Even though this is just like 3 slices, we'll get lots and lots of plants from this. Okay, so we are ready. I have my soil mixture, I have my plastic pot, and that tomato. Okay, let's begin. So we have half pot, and then just align it there. This one and this one. Okay, there you go. Then we'll cover it with soil. Water's full, we don't want to fill it up. Water. This is it. That easy and simple. And let's check in 1 week or 2 and I will show you what it's look like. After 10 days, here's our tomatoes. They're beautiful. So I will start transferring them in a small plastic pot and then go to our raised bed. Okay, we'll transfer them to this Ramgrow small pot and we'll let it grow like 1 week more and we can transfer it to our raised bed. We have to put soil first, just a little bit like this. Like that. So our little pots are ready. It's just like 1/4 soil. So we have to take some from here. I'll do it by hand because they're very sensitive. I don't want to disturb the roots, so I'll transfer it here and then give it another week. Then after that, I'll show you what it's look like. We'll use our fingers and whoop, beautiful in my eyes. Press and press and perfection. And there we have it. All right, this is what we have for today. After 2 weeks, here's our tomatoes. I have a few more over there, but these are the big ones. So we have to replant them in our raised bed. This is the raised bed that I prepared for my tomatoes. Next to my peanuts are now ready to do more digging. Oh, by the way, this is my rice hulls that I purchased yesterday. And these are my tomatoes. And my technique of planting sprouts and vegetables is I have to mix it with flowers. Yeah. Now that we have our holes, we have to put the rice hulls in here. I'll do this one first. So the way you do it is you have to push this one here and then you insert your fingers, you flip, and easy, clean and easy. Fingers, you poke it in the bottom, and then like that. There you go, beautiful. Ouch. We have to water even though it's raining. Right, there we have it. I still have more, but I have to make dinner. So that's all for today. And here's the king of flowers. How about that? Alright, that's all for today. Thank you for joining me in my garden. Now it's dinner time. Thank you to all my subscribers. And God bless us all.